Hi, Chad from Chad DIY. In today's project, we're going to be installing these LED work lights. So let's get started. So here's the basic work light. It comes with some basic, instructions for how to mount. A few different options. You could hang it from chains, I guess. There's a few chains, or you can just do a flush mount. Is what we're gonna do today. It does have a pull cord here, so you can turn it on and off if need be. I'll probably just always leave it on. And also, I think it's about a 5-foot cord, which is black. I think it'd make more sense if it was white cord, because most ceilings are going to be white as it goes up. But so that's, I guess, the fixture. It's light, but it feels, I guess, pretty solid. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
I'll start by measuring exactly where I want the lights to be. I'll make a mark with a black sharpie, and this is where I'll line up the light with. Next, I'll align the light with the trusses. I'm going to use the same black sharpie to make my marks where the trusses are.
So I now have my two marks where the trusses run. So I'm going to drill through these, and then I can screw the light right into the trusses. Now this light is designed to, it's got little tabs there that you can screw. So by the instructions it said these two tabs are, where are they? 46.77 inches apart. So if you wanted to go that route and just use like drywall anchors and screws, you could. I think it would be really hard trying to get that exact measurements, 46.77. So I'm just going the route where I'm just gonna drill through here and run a few screws through there. So let's go for that. There we go.
Now I can start hanging the actual lights. I'm using 2.5-inch Craig screws to mount the lights. There should be plenty of holding power to secure the light to the ceiling properly. I'm using the seams of the drywall to make sure the light is running nice and straight. Next, I'm adding drywall anchor and a screw. This is what I'll attach the cord to so it doesn't hang down from the ceiling. This step isn't completely necessary, but I think it makes for a better finish. I'll just use some twist ties around the screw and then attach the cord to it.
So there you have it. Really simple project to do. I think it about 10 to 15 minutes per light it took me, probably close to the 10 range. So really I did 6 lights all together, so probably a little over an hour. I mean, it can be a really fast project. A little bit more about the lights. I'll provide the link in the description, the Amazon link where I got them. They're a 5000K light, 42 watt LED, 4-foot light. I think I got a 4-pack for $100, and then I got 2 more for I think $28 a piece. So you save a little bit of money buying the 4-pack. And maybe if I did it again, I might just get 2 4-packs and do 8 lights. I think the 6 lights is really good. I'm pretty pleased with the lighting color as far as how well it lights the shop. The edges of the shop are a little dark, I guess, up top especially, but I don't think that's gonna really matter. The center light's great. Like if I'm working on a project, I mean, I can see perfectly with the projects I'm doing. So very pleased with that. So if you have any questions about the project, comment section below, and as always, please subscribe. Thanks.